Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. Carib Cement plans to invest $1.75 billion over the next 3 years to improve its efficiencies and increase capacity. The expansion will support growth in construction, which is one of the few sectors that showed consistent growth since the COVID-19 pandemic. The cement manufacturer invested $12.5 billion between 2016 and 2020 to expand its capacity to increase production. Now, Carib Cement currently has the capacity to produce 1.32 million metric tons of cement annually. The government is looking to enter public-private partnerships to increase coconut production. This was disclosed by Agriculture Minister Floyd Green, who said the government is seeking to collaborate with private growers through the Coconut Industry Board. The plan is to produce 400,000 seedlings per year and plant more than 3,000 acres of coconut. That would be a 400% increase in production. He noted that the tremendous demand for coconuts and its byproducts, such as coconut water and coconut oil, is a clear opportunity for Jamaica. Mr. Green noted, for instance, that Grace Foods has indicated that it could utilize 24,000 coconuts daily to satisfy the demand for coconut water. To currency trading now, it ended today with the US dollar selling for $150.97. The Canadian dollar is going for $126.30. The pound closed at $211.90, while the euro is being sold for $184.82. The JSE index gained 581 points today, while the junior market index lost 24 points. Among the winners were First Rock Capital Holdings US dollar shares, Cargo Handlers, JMMB Group 7.25%, Lasco Financial Services, and Berger Paints. On the losing side were Sterling Investments US dollar shares, Consolidated Bakeries, Express Catering, Everything Fresh, and Margaritaville's Turks. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.